Lisp to Smalltalk conversion. Interesting. Oh, oh, hey! I didn't expect you here so early. I wanted to go over today something called Rocky Linux. For those that are unfamiliar with Rocky Linux is the spiritual successor to something called CentOS. So CentOS 8, kind of the bulletproof server Linux. A lot of companies used it. A lot of free software used it as web servers or what have you. And what happened was after CentOS 8, the CentOS next generation was called CentOS Stream. And what this did was it moved it earlier up in the stream. I actually drew a picture for this. So CentOS 8 we have here. It kind of it fed downstream from Fedora, which then fed into Red Hat Enterprise, and then that went into CentOS. So that meant by the time we got to CentOS, it was absolutely bulletproof and unstoppable, and it wasn't updated that frequently. But now we have it. Let me see if I can move myself up here. Hey, now we have it with CentOS Stream instead of CentOS 8. It was now moved ahead of Red Hat. So now it's like a testing ground for Red Hat, and it's just I'm uncomfortable with it being that. Like I preferred CentOS as kind of like a set and forget. But now we have Rocky, which was brought up and it's being supported by Google and has lots of support for it. So we now have 8.5 as the most up-to-date Rocky, and we can see here kind of it's just being supported by Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and it's also supported by Linode. And I have a Linode free credit, so I thought I'd spin up a Rocky. We'll play around with it. We'll get to use its Yum or DNF package management, which is amazing, and I'll show you how to harden it. So that's what we'll be going over, and I'll see you there.